Actually, let's put the loop here. We will loop a large number of times. Yes. For j count equals, for now, I'm just gonna put a hard number, but we'll make that into a parameter as well. It's always a good idea to do these. All right, within each loop, xpos equals okay. First things first, add a random number to the previous x. For both the positive and the negative path. So let's do this. Dim my random as double, or let's make that I random. Oh, we also need to do the following. Dim delta t as double. Draw as normal. And let's calculate the delta t. Let's see. 1/365. And that should be just fine. Square root of delta t. If I have a, I want to draw from normal distribution with a mean of 0 and standard deviation of square root of delta t. If I have a standard normal, all I have to do is multiply that with square root of delta t. So that my I random is going to be that. So this is going to be the change in the x using the positive. So xpos is going to be xpos plus irandom. So this is going to be the new X number for that date. Actually, I need to indent these. So the second one basically says if the random number was -2 on that other path, I'm going to use +2. We also need a way to keep track of the average. So let's do this. Dim mPos as double. Let's also initialize those. Actually, then yeah, they're 0. Now I need to take those X's and make them into stock prices using this transformation. Where are you? Except I need to multiply it with t instead of delta t. That was my formula mistake there. So let's also calculate this number. Dim r min sig 2 Okay. Let's do the following. Now transform the X numbers into prices and add them to the moving sum. I could have done a utility function, but I'm not going to. Basically, I'm going to say the following. mPos plus, let's remember that function. We're going to do e to the power sigma times x plus r min 2 thingy times t, okay? So x sigma times x pos plus, what was that, r min sig 2 times icon times delta t.